Hello guys, welcome to Mark Study Circle. Today I will discuss about the step taken by the Italy Prime Minister for easing lockdown. So I will discuss about all the measures which is announced by the Prime Minister of Italy. So guys, let's start. So guys, you can see from the BBC News that Italy Prime Minister outlined lockdown easing measures. So guys, in this video, I will discuss about some past cases of Italy, how the cases was increased, and what are the steps taken by the Italy Prime Minister in last 2 or 3 months, and today, which are the steps announced by the Italy Prime Minister. So guys, I will discuss all measures in next slides. So guys, as you know, when the coronavirus outbreak was happened in Wuhan, China, then Italy confirmed first case of disease on 13 January 2020 when the two Chinese tourists visited Italy. So when the two Chinese confirmed with virus, after that what happened on 21st February, total number of cases was increased and 16 people in Lombardy and Veneto were also confirmed with the virus. So guys, Lombardy and Veneto are the two regions in Italy. Total number of region in Italy is 20. So two region Lombardy and Veneto lie on the northern side of the Italy. So what happened after that? Two deaths of the people with the virus. Then several towns in Lombardy were placed on lockdown. So guys, when the death of the two people was confirmed with virus, so several towns in Lombardy was placed in lockdown. So firstly, they placed lockdown in Lombardy area. Then after that, they increased whole of the Italy under the lockdown. So I will discuss in next slides about that. So guys, what happened around 21st February 2020 when the cases was increasing or when the death was increasing in Italy. So 11 municipalities of the province of Lodi in Lombardy was placed under lockdown. So this lockdown was initially until 6th March. So guys, you can see the province in Lombardy was placed under lockdown until the 6th March. But what happened after 6th March? On Sunday 8 March 2020, Italy Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte announced the expansion of the quarantine zone to cover much of the northern Italy. So guys, this whole northern Italy was placed under lockdown and you can see announced the expansion of the quarantine zone to cover much of the northern Italy, affecting over 16 million people, restrict travel ban to and within affected area, banning funeral, cultural events requiring people to keep at least 1 meter distance from one another in public locations such as restaurant, churches, and supermarket. You can see after the 8 March, the Prime Minister has taken all the northern province under the lockdown. So guys, you can see firstly the lockdown was Lombardy. After that, whole northern province was under the quarantine zone, and several restriction was put like restricting travel ban and other funeral bans, and they should have to keep 1 meter distance. So these are steps taken by the Italy Prime Minister during 8 March 2020. So guys, after 8 March, on the evening of 9th March, the quarantine measures were expanded to the entire country. So guys, you can see firstly the quarantine were only in Lombardy region. After that, it expanded to northern area. Then on the evening 9th March, it expanded to the entire country. So Conte explained that move would restrict travel to that necessary for work and family emergency, and that all sporting event would be cancelled. So guys, you can see all the sport activity was cancelled on the explanation of 9th March. So guys, you can see that Italy was the first country to implement national quarantine as a result of 2020 coronavirus outbreak. The decree actually initially was decided until 3 April. Decree means law, and additionally they cancelled any leave for medical worker and allowed the government to impose fine or up to 3 month jail for people who entering the affected zone without permission. So guys, you can see the strict action taken by the Italy Prime Minister. And on 21st March, Conte announced a further enlargement of the lockdown by shutting down all the necessary business and industry. So guys, before the 3rd April, there was again announcement on the 1st April that the quarantine will be up to 13 April. But again on 10th April, there was announcement that the quarantine will be up to 3 May. So guys, 3 May is coming. That's why Italy has outlined some plans to ease the strict restriction imposed 7 weeks ago. So because death toll is decreasing from the mid-March. So guys, you can see Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte said the curve would be relaxed from 4th May and people can visit their relatives and mask will be compulsory. And you can see park will reopen but school will not restart classes until September. So guys, school will shut down up to September but park will be reopened. And Spain also taken step for children. The children can go outside for the first time after 6 week longer lockdown on Sunday. And Italy recorded 260 new cases death on Sunday, and it is the lowest daily figure since 14 March. And total is now 26,644 European highest official toll. This is the total number of death and the total number of cases more than 1 lakh. If you see from this graph, you can see the cases is increasing, but it's not on larger scale. And you can see the total number of new cases is decreasing. And from this graph, you can see total number of deaths is also decreasing. So that's why Italy has outlined some ease plan and for the curbing of the spread of coronavirus. And you can see guys, the number of cases has been falling and authority now believe the contagion rate. So guys, what is contagion rate? Actually, it is the number of people each person with virus in fact is the low enough to justify the question easing of the curve. So guys, number of cases decreasing. So that's why they have taken the steps. And you can see the Prime Minister told that the country would begin phase 2 of lifting its coronavirus lockdown. And other measures is the people will be allowed to move around their own region but not between the different regions. So people can go their own region but not between the different region. And funerals are set to resume but maximum number of people will be 15 and it will be carried out outdoors. And other step is individual athlete can resume training and people can do sport not only in the vicinity of their home but in a wider area. So guys, this is the very biggest step taken by the Italy Prime Minister. So bars and restaurant will reopen for takeaway services from 4th May. So guys, you can see only the delivery services is available and the food must be consumed at home or in offices. And other is hairdresser, beauty salon, bar, and restaurant are expected to reopen from 1st June. And more retail shop not already open under the earliest easing measure will reopen again on 18th May along with museum and library. And sporting will also be able to hold group training from 18th May. So guys, you can see these are the steps taken by the Italy Prime Minister. So guys, you can see that there was no announcement on the possibility of Italy Premier Football League Series A resuming even behind closed doors. So guys, in closed doors also the Football League Series A is banned. And other is Mr. Court stressed that social distancing measure would need to continue for months to come. So they have to follow the social distancing for a month and he said all the church services would remain banned, and he urged people to stay a meter away from each other. If we do not respect the precaution, the curve will go up. the death will increase and we will have irreversible damage to our economy. The Prime Minister said, if you love Italy, keep your distance. So guys, these are the steps which is announced by the Italy Prime Minister today. I hope you will like this video. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.